Good morning, everybody. This is Papa Scrap. I'm up here to digging in a dump. Stuff I'm gonna get out. Good old scrap. There's some good scrap and different things up in here. And gotta load some. Gotta go around here and load some farm implements. A friend of mine gave me this stuff. Around here at the back of the barn, a picnic table. I'm gonna get it and take it home. And I got a bunch of stuff sitting out. He gave me some farm implements sitting right here. I'm gonna get them, take them home. Got some old carburetors, gear, some gears, stuff. And it's gonna be interesting. See if we can get it loaded. There is a bush hog, an old bush hog, sitting amongst this tree. So I'm gonna have to get the chainsaw and cut the top of the tree off, and then get the chainsaw and cut the bottom of the tree loose and leave a knot in it, I guess. Then I'll have to pull my truck up here, and I'll take my truck and I'll probably drag it back that way somewhere to where I can try to get it loaded on the trailer. I know it's gonna be heavy, but we're gonna see what we can do here in a little while. And then I've got a couple pieces down here I'm gonna try to load, try to drag them out up here in the trees. It's that old disc harrow. Disc, yeah. And then this is an old race car tire holder from back in the day. So I'm gonna get that loaded up too. And I presume it come off of a old NASCAR truck. So I'm gonna try to get them trees cut out after a while, or maybe tomorrow. It just depends how much I get done today. Them might be the two last things I get. But this is gonna be the interesting piece that I need to dig out right here. Getting it loaded on the trailer. Hook it up to the truck somehow. And I don't know if the old barn would hold it or not, but if I could drag it up under the barn, I might be able to pick it up enough to get one end in with a winch, set it down, and then get the other end in with the winch and back the rest of the way up underneath it. All right, this is Papa Scrap. We're gonna keep looking around. Hope y'all have a great day. God bless. Talk at you later. This is Papa Scrap. I'm back. We're gonna see if we can get this old straight axle loaded. Some other stuff around here. Get up here and move stuff around. We can get that straight axle loaded and a few other things loaded. I'll take it to the house and come back. cool old pot. I don't have a clue how I'm going to do this. I don't know if I can pick it up enough to get it up there or not. Let's see. Whoo-wee. Well, I got that end up there. See if we can get it straightened up enough. Get the rest of it up in there. Whew. No, that's not light. That's a good axle. Somebody needs to build them a little trailer though. Good straight axle. Somebody can build a nice little trailer out of it. Have to see if you can get them springs broke free. Soak them with some WD. Soak them. Let's see. Woo-wee. She's on there. All right. I'm gonna move y'all around. I'll be back the trailer up here beside this and see if we can flip it over on the trailer. See if we can lean it over. Let it land on the trailer. Pick up the other end and go up with it. Take this old trash can. I gotta come back and get some more stuff. I'm gonna look up here in the bushes. More of them old metal chairs up in here. Boy, I can imagine. There was probably some old storytelling going on around here. Some good stories. What I'm talking about. These up in the back. Put these up in the back. Go to the house and unload, and then come back and do some more. I'll be back. This is Papa Scrap.